Number 1. IQ Airatem. According to the United Nations, only a mere 10% of the global population enjoys air quality that meets acceptable standards. Furthermore, addressing the health problems caused by air pollution incurs an annual cost of approximately $1 trillion. In response to this pressing issue, an air purification system has been developed. This system can operate continuously throughout the day, weighing in at roughly 3 kilograms. It possesses the capability to purify up to 66 cubic meters of air per hour, all while operating quietly, with noise levels comparable to a hushed conversation, never surpassing 44 decibels. The system is highly efficient in filtering out PM 2.5 particles, effectively removing pollutants such as soot, asphalt, tires, and other airborne contaminants. It is available for a price of approximately $900. Number 2. Magna GG Lounger. Do you desire to unwind and recharge comfortably in your car? Thanks to these seats, this is now achievable. They offer an array of micro adjustments, much like a massage chair, allowing you to find your ideal position. In particular, the zero-gravity setting at a 40-degree incline alleviates spinal pressure and evenly distributes your body's weight, with 3 preset modes tailored for driving, reading, or sleeping. The latter even includes a footrest. These seats are adaptable to various vehicle sizes, from large vans to compact cars. Moreover, their electronic control unit features customizable software, enabling each user to personalize their seat settings. These innovative seats are developed by Magna International, a renowned leader in car component manufacturing worldwide. Number 3. Active Aerodynamics. Canada made a surprising impression at the influential CES 2023 exhibition by unveiling innovative aerodynamic solutions crafted from shape-shifting thermoplastic materials. This technology, known as morphing surfaces, holds significant significance for electric vehicles. Preliminary calculations suggest that even just the bumper, when equipped with this technology, can potentially reduce aerodynamic drag by approximately 10%, resulting in tens of additional kilometers of travel on a single charge. Experts emphasize that one of the primary challenges hindering the widespread adoption of electric cars is their limited driving range per charge. When advancements such as improved traction inverters are combined with components featuring morphing surfaces, this technology holds considerable promise. Number 4. Sliding ragtops. In 2019, the United States achieved a remarkable milestone, surpassing 278 million cars in operation. With such a staggering number of vehicles on the road, car manufacturers, buyers, and tuning shops have little time for respite. Let's take convertible roofs, commonly known as ragtops, for instance. These roofs are renowned for their expansive size, and some humorously refer to them as convertibles for those on a budget. For instance, the Cadillac Fleetwood Lowrider featured in the video boasts a ragtop that measures 112 by 140 centimeters. However, there are even more sizable options available, stretching to 102 by 305 centimeters. Nevertheless, such customization comes with a substantial price tag, with complete sets often costing $700 or more, excluding installation costs. Number 5. EV West Conversion Kit. During the past year, the global electric car market witnessed sales exceeding 10 million units, constituting 14% of all automobile sales. This upward trajectory is projected to persist, with forecasts indicating that by 2025, 1 out of every 4 cars sold will be electric. While this is certainly promising, what if you're not inclined to switch to an electric vehicle, especially if you own a Porsche 911? An American company has presented a solution in the form of conversion kits that can transform traditional internal combustion engine cars into electric ones. For example, the conversion kit designed for a Porsche 911 is priced at $12,000 and includes a 130 horsepower electric motor, a charging system, a programmable controller, and more, with the exception of batteries. Number 6. Mirror eye. Statistics indicate that approximately 85% of truck accidents in Europe result from human error, although only 25% of these can be directly attributed to the drivers themselves. In simpler terms, unforeseen events can occur on the road, and drivers may not always detect potential dangers. To offer more comprehensive information, a system of cameras has replaced traditional rear-view mirrors. These cameras provide superior visibility compared to Class 2, 4, and 5 rear-view mirrors, effectively eliminating blind spots. The high-definition view is displayed on two 12.3-inch monitors, with the option for a split-screen display. These cameras are engineered to withstand various environmental conditions, including sun, rain, and dust, and they exhibit remarkable resilience, withstanding shocks and vibrations up to 50 grams. Additionally, they can endure extreme temperatures ranging from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. Number 7. RoboSense LiDAR. Speaking of technology, let's explore what RoboSense, the global leader in LiDAR systems, has in its arsenal. Their partnership with the prominent Chinese company XPeng serves as a testament to their reputation. RoboSense's LiDAR technology is widely embraced in the realms of robotics and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The Ruby Plus models, in particular, stand out with an impressive range of up to 240 meters, boasting an accuracy within a range of ±2 centimeters. Compared to the previous generation, these LiDAR systems have managed to achieve a 50% reduction in weight and volume, along with a 33% decrease in power consumption. Number 8. Ruby Tracks. For individuals interested in the track system, it can be affixed to all wheels, akin to its use in the French movie Taxi 3. This system goes by the name of Ruby Tracks and is available in both pre-assembled form and as a do-it-yourself DIY kit. It's renowned as the most user-friendly system on the market, necessitating minimal modifications for most vehicles. The installation process is relatively efficient, typically taking about a day for the initial setup and merely an hour for subsequent adjustments. The tracks are offered in two lengths, measuring either 122 or 142 centimeters, both with a width of 38 centimeters. Pricing starts at $12,000, which includes a specialized mounting kit. Number 9. Byte & K-Byte. When you combine German practicality with Japanese technology, you get the Bison K-Byte, an electric sedan. This innovative vehicle was the brainchild of former employees from Nissan and BMW. Unfortunately, despite their efforts, the venture didn't find success, leading the team to file for bankruptcy in 2021. Consequently, the Bison K-Byte never made it to actual production, remaining as a collection of concepts and prototypes. It's a regrettable outcome, given the array of intriguing features it offered. Notably, the vehicle boasted a minimum of 4 LiDARs, 2 of which were positioned at the front for advanced sensing capabilities, along with hardware designed to support the highest level of autonomy, Level 5. The all-wheel drive version held the promise of a robust 470 horsepower electric engine and an impressive range of approximately 490 kilometers on a single charge, with a top speed reaching 209 kilometers per hour. Number 10. Rams Mobile. The Rams Mobile team has embarked on an impressive journey, transitioning from their origins in hookah manufacturing and tuning to designing SUVs such as the Protos RMX2 model. Let's delve into its notable attributes. It boasts an exclusive chassis crafted from a blend of titanium and carbon fiber, which the team touts as the world's lightest variant, weighing between 1.5 to 2.7 tons. The vehicle offers engine choices delivering between 1,000 to 1,200 horsepower, with options encompassing gasoline, diesel, or electric powertrains. Furthermore, there's a range of customization possibilities, including Kevlar reinforcements, gold embellishments, and, intriguingly, even the inclusion of hookahs.